Navigating the aftermath of a car accident often involves the complex process of seeking a settlement for damages incurred. Understandably, one of the first questions on many minds is, how long will this take? While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, grasping the typical timeline and the factors influencing it can provide a clearer picture. The general timeline and influencing factors. In many straightforward cases where liability is clear and the injuries are not severe, a settlement might be reached within a few months to a year. However, more intricate situations can extend this period significantly, sometimes taking well over a year or even multiple years. Several key factors contribute to this variability. Clarity of liability. If it's immediately obvious who is at fault for the accident, the settlement process tends to move more swiftly. Disputes over who caused the accident can lead to lengthy investigations and delays. Severity of injuries. More serious injuries often require extensive medical treatment, rehabilitation, and a clearer understanding of long-term impacts. Settlements in these cases may take longer as the full scope of damages needs to be assessed. Insurance company practices. The approach and efficiency of the involved insurance companies can significantly affect the timeline. Some insurers may be more proactive in resolving claims, while others might employ tactics that prolong the process. Complexity of the case. Factors like multiple vehicles involved, commercial vehicles, or accidents involving uninsured/underinsured drivers can add layers of complexity, requiring more investigation and negotiation. Negotiation and potential litigation. The negotiation phase itself can take varying amounts of time depending on the willingness of both parties to compromise. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, filing a lawsuit will inevitably extend the timeline considerably. Litigation involves discovery, depositions, potential motions, and ultimately, a trial if no settlement is reached beforehand. The settlement process explained simply. The journey toward a car accident settlement generally follows these steps. Reporting the accident. This initiates the insurance claim process. Investigation. Both your insurance company and the other driver's insurer will investigate the accident to determine fault and the extent of damages. Demand letter. Once you have a clear understanding of your damages, medical bills, lost wages, property damage, pain, and suffering, your attorney, if you have one, will typically send a demand letter to the responsible party's insurance company outlining your claim and settlement expectations. Negotiation. This is where both sides attempt to reach a mutually agreeable settlement. Offers and counteroffers are exchanged. Settlement agreement. If an agreement is reached, a written settlement agreement is drafted and signed, releasing the at-fault party from further liability. Disbursement of funds. Once the agreement is finalized, you will receive the settlement funds. A helpful tip. Document everything meticulously from the outset. Keep detailed records of all medical treatments, lost wages, communication with insurance companies, and any other expenses or impacts resulting from the accident. This thorough documentation will strengthen your claim and help expedite the settlement process by providing clear and irrefutable evidence of your damages. By understanding these factors and the general process, you can have more realistic expectations about the timeline for your car accident settlement. Remember that each case is unique, and the duration can vary significantly based on the specific circumstances.